animals, too.
Well, that's just not fair. We have to do something so they can all come back home.
A tire? Balloons?
Huh, yeah, been seeing more garbage around here.
Wait, I hear something. Listen.
Oh, hey, look!
Little help?
How'd you get stuck in there, you little lizard guy?
Seemed like a warm place to hang out in the morning sun, but in retrospect, probably not the best of ideas.
Fear not, lizard! I'll save you!
Oh, thanks. I didn't catch your name, kind sir.
Why, I'm Nature Cat.
Well, you're in a saving the day mode. Can you help a friend over there?
Get this thing off me, man!
But of course!
Man, oh man, this could cause some serious damage around here.
You're telling me.
Me too, man. Oh,